Welcome to this video about Capture Business Designer. In this tutorial, we are going to look at intelligent data extraction from different documents in order to feed them into a fully digital and automated process. A business administrator designs extraction definitions using Capture Business Designer. The resulting document type templates are stored in a library and are available for both automated extraction processes and interactive casework by clerks. In Part 1, we will look at data extraction fields on a scanned document. In Part 2, we learn how to extract data from a table. Part 3 will deal with the extraction of handwritten notes. And in the last part, we will look at the extraction of data from an unstructured email. The system will be trained and all routines will be used by a clerk. In Capture Business Designer, the administrator can see the original scanned document on the left pane. Let's create a new document category called Medical Confirmation, which is the basis for the digitalization process and data extraction. The administrator defines data fields for this free-form data extraction via drag and drop. The field for the name is of the type alphanumeric, and it usually appears after the keywords Mr. or Ms. The patient number is always in the same region. In the same manner, the administrator creates all other extraction rule definitions for the remaining fields. After they are finished, the intelligent training algorithm uses sample documents to learn typical extraction patterns that are valid for similar documents. In this healthcare business application, clerks can apply the document types previously defined by the administrator to automatically extract data from incoming customer communication. By clicking the Extract button, the system applies the selected template and extracts the data. We are back in Business Designer, where the administrator prepares a supervised data extraction from a table. He creates the table extraction definition column by column and applies the same procedure to the remaining columns, allowing the system to automatically identify all rows of the table. Once again, the administrator trains the system with a sufficient document sample set. Once the training is finished, the administrator tests the system by applying the extraction pattern on the table. He can compare extracted data and verify whether it matches original values. The system has been trained properly, and the new extraction template can be released into production. Handwritten notes can also be extracted with Capture Business Designer. The administrator defines fields in a similar way as shown before. These handwritten notes can occur everywhere on the page. Due to the training, the system learns from similar samples and applies the best matching extraction patterns. Back in Papyrus Client, a clerk from the HR department applies the document extraction template for handwritten notes to new job applications and CVs that contain manual annotations from recruiters. Our last use case is about data extraction from unstructured emails. The administrator creates a new document type, defines extraction fields with their specific settings, and trains the system. Most items will be found somewhere in the email body. A clerk can now apply this new document type in a business case to automatically extract data from incoming emails. Papyrus Capture Business Designer empowers your departments with data extraction automation. For more information, visit our website.